Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I post everything related to dance, circus, and performing, so if those are things you're interested in, please subscribe. I just made my return to YouTube, so your support would be very appreciated. We're going to get started with one arm shoulder shrugs 10 times on each side. From there, we are going to go to 2 arms and do circular shoulder shrugs 5 times forward and 5 times backward. From there, we'll go straight to our pullovers. Intermediate aerialists, you can do about 5. Advanced, you can do about 10. And in your front balance, try to keep your heels up and try to keep your toes from pointing down to the ground. Just a little technique tip. Then we'll do our front balance rises. Intermediate, you can do 3. Advanced, you can do 5. You'll fold all the way over, touch your toes, and then try to roll up to your front balance. Again, keeping those heels up in the front balance. This next one requires some specific form, so make sure you're not arching your back. Keep your core hollow and the front of your hips long. Then you'll do 10 leg pulses in that position. And then we'll go to our full leg switches. So intermediate, you can do 3 per side. Advanced, you can do 3 per side, plus a 10-second hold on the last one on each side. And try your best to keep your core hollow here. I know it's a lot harder, but at least be thinking about that. We'll do our skin the cats now. So for intermediate, you can do half skin the cats. So you'll stop in this inverted pike position and you can do 5 to 10. The advanced option would be full skin the cats. So you'll go all the way down to your dead hang and pike all the way through and do your full skin the cat. Only go as far down in your skin the cat as you can bring yourself back from. And then we're going to come up to stand, so the intermediate option is to sit up with good technique and then pull up to stand. The advanced option is to do a monkey roll and then a roll back to stand. From there, we'll do our 10-second pencil hold. We'll go straight into our angel position on each side. Then we'll do 5 tucks and 5 leg lifts on the ropes. Make sure you're not swinging or beating back between reps as you start to get fatigued. We all are guilty of it, but it is a bad habit, so try not to do it. And that is the end of the warm-up. If this was a bit too challenging, I do have a beginner warm-up, so you can definitely go check that out and see if it's a better fit.